Welcome back to Coinfinite. Bitcoin is still moving sideways in this box. This box will be broken out in the next 3 days. So which direction will Bitcoin go? And I also mentioned that dominance has reached 39%, indicating that most of the funds are in altcoins because Ethereum merge will be on September 6th and the rise is not strong. We have to be careful that good news may become a trap and people may be FOMO to rush in. I will give all the details, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get the latest crypto trading strategies. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin closing candle of last week. Although it is a green candle, there is a very strong upper shadow above it. Bitcoin right now was basically moving sideways. Although there is nothing much in change, in my last video, I said that this is a very good short-term trading chance. You can buy at low and sell at high in this box. Then we need to pay attention to the price around 19,500 at weekly support. The current short-term trend is a consolidation, and I believe the short-term downward trend was over last week. So the current box should be in the accumulation stage, and Bitcoin was staying here as long as its last consolidation. So it won't take long for Bitcoin to come up with a direction, and I think the chance for Bitcoin to go upward is relatively high. And why? If we zoom into 4-hour chart, open divergence for many indicators V4, we can see that the divergence of multiple indicators, and this is very useful. And now here we can see the two divergence on MACD and it's bullish, so it is good signal for long. At the same time, the trading volume is gradually decreasing to the minimum. In the follow-up, we should see that whether there is a high trading volume and a breakthrough in one direction, no matter it is up or down. In that case, the direction is often valid and then we should follow it. So my trading plan is that there is a signal for long right now, but it has not shown up any strength in the price. So I will wait for the price action to break out 20,100 and wait for the volume comes up. By then, I will go long. The target I will take profit is between 20,550 and the 20,700 US dollars, and the stop loss should be fixed at 2%. The second possibility is that there is no price action of rising and breaking, but Bitcoin quickly falls below this box. In this case, we cannot blindly go long. It is necessary to see a false breakout before it goes up to the 19,500 for your long. After returning to the above 19,500 again, you can go long all the way. Then the other thing that worth your attention is the Bitcoin dominance, which is currently around 39%. This indicates that most of the funds are in altcoins, but this is a risk for altcoin as well, because there is a rapid decline when the dominance comes to 39 to 40% each in the last 3 times in history. The Bitcoin did the same way, so if there is no such thing of price action as I just mentioned, you must go long. Once the price falls below the 19K, I will try to trace that short with the limited positions. This is my analysis of Bitcoin. And right now, let's have a look at Ethereum. Soon, the current Ethereum mainnet will merge with the Bitcoin Train proof of stake system, and this will set the stage for the future scaling upgrades, including sharding. The time for it is scheduled for the morning of September 6, 2022. At this time, the price of Ethereum will definitely fluctuate greatly. But as a technical analysis trader, after the current Ethereum breakthrough the falling wedge, as we mentioned earlier, there was no very strong rise and outbreak, and there is also a false breakout on the Friday last week. And the trading volume, as you can see, was going up. Ethereum could not continue to rise and break through the range of the 1600, and at that time, market opinions were greatly divided. Coupled with the risks shown by Bitcoin dominance right now, if given such a price action trend, I would consider short-term shorting of Ethereum. 1600 is the resistance level, and it is also the 618 retracement range of FIB. If it is a resistance in no time here, you can go short. Set a PL ratio at least 1.5 and take profits in batches. The second thing is that if the big short in the market go short, they often break the high first because there will be a large number of short orders of short stop loss set here. So if you go short when fall back to the 1650 after a false breakout fibs, this will be very great. The above is my trading plan. My videos are for reference only. Do subscribe and like, share it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next time.